It was published on an official press release distribution website, but that fake press release claiming Walmart would start accepting Litecoin as payment for goods and services.
But aren't people going to go over to jail over this? They impersonated Walmart. They had everything down to the date. They knew exactly what they were doing to it.
Hang on, don't put in any more money. They are scamming you.
I used to make a fuck ton of money shorting companies. Like, oh, you have no idea.
That's Mark Cuban. And he's not talking about insider tips. He's talking about press releases, companies announcing new warehouses, big expansions, major growth. So Cuban sent someone to check.
I hired this guy to just go out and find public information. He would find companies that were putting out press releases about this new warehouse they opened, and so he would send somebody to the warehouse. No utilities, nobody there, all that shit. There was nobody around.
Just a press release and a lie. That was the old stock market. Same trick, same playbook, different industry. In financial markets, information is everything. Prices move because people believe something is true. A partnership, a product launch, a breakthrough. For decades, press releases went through gatekeepers. Journalists verified, editors filtered. That filter mattered. Because once something becomes news, markets move. In crypto, that filter is gone. Fake warehouses needed physical deception. Inspectors, travel, risk. In crypto, you just need a website and a press release. No verification, no accountability, just distribution. In 2021, a press release claimed Walmart would accept Litecoin. No confirmation, no verification. Within minutes, Litecoin surged roughly 30%. Then Walmart responded. It was fake. One unchecked announcement was enough to move markets and force a Fortune 500 company to issue a denial. On Christmas Eve, a press release claimed Circle, the issuer of USDC, launched a platform for tokenized gold and silver. Circle branding, executive quotes, professional language. It was fake. Circle confirmed it to CoinDesk. The unknown website asked users to connect their wallets, a classic setup for what appears to be a scam. Same pattern as Litecoin, more sophisticated execution. These aren't isolated incidents. They're symptoms of a system designed to publish first and ask questions later. Because in crypto, press release distributions bypass editorial newsrooms. They go straight to the public. If you pay, you publish. And the responsibility for truth? It's pushed entirely onto the issuer. We analyzed about 3,000 crypto press releases published over a 4-month period. Roughly 62% came from projects flagged as high risk or outright scams. Bad actors aren't avoiding press releases. They're flooding them. In this environment, press releases don't measure success. They manufacture it at scale. Because press releases don't just influence perception, they influence behavior. They trigger automated trades. They signal something is happening. And in crypto, that combination is dangerous. When advertising looks like news, and news requires no verification, the next scam doesn't start with code. It starts with a headline. You might be able to tell when a published press release raises red flags. But what about media illiterate people? Older generations, perhaps. Your uncle who believes anything he reads on the internet. This is a conversation worth having. Dive into our report for our findings. The next scam won't announce itself. It'll have a press release, professional branding, partnership announcements, and it'll look exactly like news. The full report breaks down the numbers behind the deception. Link below.